Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. If these earbuds are not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or connecting with your device or your phone or whatever, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if for any reason you just want to set these up as a new set of earbuds by getting everything wiped off of them, so you can set them up like you're just taking them out of the box new, this will do that. All we need to do is put the earbuds back in the case as shown here, leaving the case open, and we're just going to come in and press and hold the Bluetooth button, and we're going to hold this button for 20 seconds, and you'll see these. We're going to keep an eye on the three LED little light indicators, and you're just going to keep holding it until all three of them blink in white, indicating the reset's complete. You can go ahead and take your earbuds out and set them up like you're setting up a new set of earbuds.